please do me a favor, make sure you watch the entire video. I have a very important announcement to make towards the end of this video. So let's get into the real deal here. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, please, I'm gonna cry, please subscribe to this channel and also click on the notification bell. Today I want to share with you the video that I did 2 years ago. I will repeat kind of, so I have something to add to that video, and I will share with you why I am doing almost the same exact video. Take a look at this video. So the video at the bottom is really one of the videos that a lot of people can identify me on YouTube with, because there's some significant about this video. So keep watching. Let's get into doing the video first of all. And then towards the end of the video, I will tell you why. I will share with you why I am kind of giving a review or kind of repeating a similar video. So today we'll be talking about how coconut oil, baking soda and lemon or lime will help to brighten up your skin, slough off dead skin, take off skin pigmentation, get you ready for summer, make you look 5 to 10 years younger. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. I have a bulk of coconut oil. So what I need here, I just need 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. I need 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and I need half lemon juice. You want to squeeze it in, squeeze, and you're gonna mix it up, and then you're gonna mix together. And this is the consistency you have. At this time, I will use this lemon to apply it all over my skin. Yes. So in my previous video that I did 2 years ago, if you look at that, the video is not clear. You can barely see my face. I don't know how to use the camera I have. I was still learning how to use the camera. So bring it all the way down, all the way to your hand. So if you have dark elbow, that's awesome for you. If you have dark underarm, which my underarm is a little bit discolored, that's awesome for you. Bring it all over down to your neck and chest area. You can also use this on your legs, your feet, your entire body. As a matter of fact, anything that I use on my face, I like to apply them on my entire body. So you want to wait for about 10 minutes to take a shower. So guys, after 10 minutes, I took a shower. You can tell that the skin is glazy and well, like looks very nourished. So the reason why a lot of us don't have results from our skincare is because we don't give it time. We want to have the result right away. But the key to having good skin is to follow a regimen consistently. If something doesn't work for you, try another one, but giving some time when you're trying something new just to see if that's going to work for you. However, the reason why I decided to redo this video, in case you did not watch this video, please, I will link it in the first comment section. Go over there and watch that video. That video is 2 years right now. When I did that video, I had no idea how to do cameras. I had no idea how to shoot. I just put on the camera, no editing. I just posted it like that. What am I telling you? If YouTube algorithm decides to be on your favor, take advantage of that. If YouTube algorithm decides not to share your videos, there is definitely nothing you can do about this. Last week I did a video about my lowest downtime on YouTube, which I will still post. I recorded that. I have not posted that. At this moment, if you've been following me, you can tell that my channel has been struggling. But you know what? There is nothing much I can do about that. In those days, 2 years ago, I had no idea. I don't know anything about thumbnail, about editing. I just, like cock and shoot. I just shoot my video and I post. And algorithm was always on my favor. Look at it today. You have good makeup. You have nice outfits. You have your studio set up. At the end of the day, video is not being promoted. People are not watching. So, chip in to share your thoughts and your opinions as well. And don't forget to watch the entire video of the video in the first comment section that made me 2-point-something million views, and I will share with you how much I made in that video in 2 years that it has given me 2-point-something million. It's not my highest viewed video, but it's somewhere in the middle. And this is the video. People that watch YouTube, they know me from that particular video, coconut oil. I was called out. You don't want to know what people were telling me on the comments. I was fat, I was big, I was this, like the real, you know what, I couldn't give a hoot anyways. But guys, thank you for your time, and thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing. I will definitely see you guys in my next